Welcome back. Four major political parties have split for Maharashtra Assembly poll. BJP and Shiv Sena breaks their 25-years-old alliance on Thursday. Talks over seat sharing were on for the last several days and both parties were blaming each other for not showing enough flexibility in saving alliance. Meanwhile, Congress and NCP have also parted away from Maharashtra Assembly poll. NCP is expected to announce its list of candidates and also take a call on the future of tie-up with Congress. To bring all the forces together on a single platform to revisit and readdress Goa's burning issues, Goans for Goa, a NGO, has organized a mega convention for unity of all Goans on 27th September at Margao. Major issues like mining, corporation, double EONI, regional plan, special status, RTI and corruption, women empowerment will be addressed at the convention.
Goans for Goaचे main mission जाऊन असा सगळे वो गावांनी village development plans घडवण्याचे आणि ते उपरांत district development plan जाऊनचे आचेर एक convention करून main convention आचेर आहात. त्याच्या भायर आम्ही गोंयचे सुमार 9 points issues जे आसात burning issues of Goa आचेर भासाभास जातली. Main aim is to unite Goans together to form this village advisory councils. म्हणजे आम्ही सगळ्यांनी एकठांय जाऊन विलेजीनी यो council करून यो ward committees करून आमचे पंचायतांनी आणि village development plan लोकांक जाय ते परी जावचो म्हणून कित्याक ही लोजेची खबर गोंयांत 10 वर्सां जाली district development plan आता chairperson म्हणटा district development plan जावना कित्याक पंचायतींनी village development plan दिवंक ना. So without a village development plans, district development जाऊन आता Nelly, I think she is taking a meeting somewhere shortly on the art target to discuss this. गेल्या वर्साक meeting घेतलेली कोणींची अजून झाली district development 10 वर्सां झाली फॉर्म केल्यार but meeting जाऊन ना. So हे आम्ही कार्य घेतला Goans for Goa. This is our thing that we should make this awareness in the villages.
Before being an entrepreneur, understand the market and the people of your business area. These are the words of an entrepreneur at a program on technology entrepreneurship, development and food processing organized at SEBA Center at Verna. The 2-week-long program is organized in association with the Directorate of Industries, Trade and Commerce. Around 30 students are participating in the program.
To be an entrepreneur, you need to be trained. You need to train yourself first before you take any step. Those days are gone. 1970s, 1980s, 1990s, like people achieved success, okay, without any level of education. It's very difficult in today's world. So first point is get yourself trained. Okay. Also train your environment. What I mean is start with your family, with your people in the organization. Goa mindset is such that if I travel tomorrow to Mumbai and day after to Bangalore, my family says, "Arey, atta paula mar Mumbai cha Bangalore follow." So this is the kind of mindset which you need to, not destroy, but get yourself trained and also train the people around you, your family and the organization. Before being an entrepreneur, it is also very, very important to understand the market and understand the people.
And with this, we come to an end of this news bulletin. Keep watching Prudent. Goodbye.
तुम्ही पळयतात Prudent. You're watching Prudent.